Want your product to sell while you sleep? Then you've come to the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up Commentions for your product, your e-commerce brand, so you can generate organic sales every single day. But first, let me remind you what Commentions actually does. Commentions allow you to interact automatically with posts on social platforms like Twitter, Quora, and YouTube by leaving high-quality, natural comments that subtly mention your brand. It does this hundreds of times per day without you lifting a finger. Here's why that matters. Every comment creates impressions. Your brand gets seen. Your name becomes recognized as a solution or an alternative. And that's how sales start rolling in. For example, let's say you've launched a powerful smartwatch brand and you want to boost sales. With Commentions, you can automatically reply to posts where people ask, "What's the best smartwatch on the market?" and highlight why your brand is the answer. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through a real example using Whoop, a connected watch brand. Whoop is a wearable fitness tracker designed to measure recovery, strain, and sleep, helping athletes and high performers optimize training and rest. Instead of lifestyle features like notifications, it focuses purely on health insights through a subscription model. Competitors include Fitbit, Apple Watch, Garmin, Oura Ring, Polar, and Samsung Galaxy Watch. You'll see step by step how Whoop could use Commentions to drive even more sales, so you can take that same setup and apply it directly to your own brand. First, connect your accounts. I recommend linking all of them, YouTube, X, and Quora, so you cover every social network where conversations happen. The more presence you have, the more opportunities you create. And if you really want to scale, you can even connect multiple accounts per platform. Connections are unlimited. Then, next, you'll create your brand profile. This step is crucial because it gives our AI the context it needs to write the best possible comments that subtly mention your brand. Here's how each part works. Brand summary tells the AI what your brand is about. Brand persona shows the AI who your target audience is, so it speaks in the right tone. Problems your brand solves helps the AI connect with people's pain points. Benefits of your brand gives the AI the key reasons why people should choose you. What makes your brand unique positions you smartly against competitors without sounding like spam. Now it's time to bring everything together and launch your first workflow. Name your workflow, for example, Twitter Whoop. Choose the platform. Here, we'll pick X. Select the account that will post the comments. Pick the brand you want mentioned inside those comments. Here, Whoop next, set up your comment parameters. Since Whoop targets a young, active audience, we'll go with a friendly, informal, and optimistic tone. I'll also choose external entity, so comments sound like they come from a genuine user of Whoop, not the brand itself. Then add your keywords. This tells Commentions which conversations to join. For Whoop, we'll use smartwatches, fitness tracker, Apple Watch, a key competitor. Because Whoop is an international brand, I'll keep the language setting on all languages. But if your product is local, you can target just your country's language. Finally, decide how many mentions per day you want to post. It's up 50 mentions day per X account, 20 for Quora and YouTube. And that's it. Commentions will automatically promote your product, spark conversations, and generate sales for you, even while you sleep. Important to note, you can create as many workflows as you want on each account. There's no limit, as long as you stay within your daily mention allowance. You can also connect an unlimited number of accounts, and if you really want to scale, you can upgrade to an agency plan for unlimited mentions every day. And remember, every mention is a seed planted across the internet. With time, those seeds grow into visibility, authority, and ultimately, sales. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, contact us on the chat or WhatsApp.